Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to compare the fractions in an easy way. How to compare the fractions. Let us take two fractions called 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. Generally the fractions including a single digit number or double digit numbers in the numerators or denominators, this technique is highly useful to decide which fraction is highest and which fraction is least. The name of our technique is called as bottom cross multiplication method. Bottom cross multiplication method. Generally people call it as BCM method. BCM stands for bottom cross multiplication method. From the bottom we start cross multiplying. Suppose I am cross multiplying like this, 5 into 5 which gives 25. Write always product on the top. Now here 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Now on whatever the side the highest number comes, the highest result, the highest product comes, that corresponding fraction is highest. That means here 5 by 7 is the highest fraction. 3 by 5 is the least fraction. This is how we decide what is the highest fraction and what is the least fraction by a method called bottom cross multiplication method. Let us take one more example. Suppose there are two fractions called as 3 by 13 and 4 by 15. 13 fours are 52 and 15 threes are 45. Since 4 by 15 corresponds to the highest number on the side of 52, so 4 by 15 will be the highest fraction and 3 by 13 will be the least fraction. Now suppose in an exam a question was asked like this: 3 by 5, 2 by 7 and 1 by 3, which is highest of these three? Which is highest of these three? Very simple. Out of 3 you can take any number, you can take any two first. I am taking 3 by 5 and 2 by 7. 5 twos are 10, 7 threes are 21. That means 3 by 5 is the highest of these two. Since we need highest, I am eliminating the least, so I am taking this one. Now again I take 3 by 5, I am putting a competition between 3 by 5 and the remaining 1 by 3. 5 ones are 5, 3 threes are 9. Again 3 by 5 is the highest. That means 3 by 5 is the highest fraction of all the three. Suppose if we ask what is the least of those three, we exactly do the operation in the reverse way. This time we leave the highest and we take the we leave the highest and we take the least. Suppose the three fractions again I am writing here: 3 by 5, 2 by 7 and 1 by 3. You can take any two fractions: 3 by 5, 2 by 7, 5 twos are 10, 7 threes are 21. 2 by 7 is least. And now again take 2 by 7, put a competition with 1 by 3. 7 ones are 7, 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. That means 2 by 7 is least. That means in this three fraction, 2 by 7 is the least fraction of all these three. So in this way, we can find what is the highest fraction and what is the least fraction by a method called bottom cross multiplication method. So this technique is highly useful whenever single digit numbers or double digit numbers, depends upon on what extent you are good at tables. So if you are good at tables up to 20, so numerators and denominators which are including up to the values of 20, you can do it. So this technique is a highly efficient technique and time saving technique which is very useful in competitive exams. I hope you liked our technique. Please subscribe to our channel, Mark Institute.